There's a lot of challenges when it comes to starting any type of business, not just a clothing line. And one of the biggest challenges that I had, starting this clothing line actually was the production stage. Came out, I only had one design, and I focused only on that one design. I tried to make money with that one t-shirt, and that's not the way it's supposed to be. You need to have some variety. It means, you gotta maybe, save more money, and, with that said, once I was able to, save more money, I was able to kind of, put more variety out. The design process, I break it down into a couple of different stages. For one, I'm old school, so everything I do do all pen and ink, all pencil, hand draw, everything, usually on large 18 by 24 pieces of paper. I make all my sketches that way. Then I go and I scan them right through an actual economy size printer from like Staples. I get them scanned and I start to illustrate them right through Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. So I try to vector the images. Once they're vectored, to have a better high output resolution, from there I'm able to then go and get them screened and then printed to get the effects that I want to achieve. We have a certain demographic that we try to reach. We try to touch on certain certain trends that are going on right now, like what's really trending at the moment. We don't want to be a brand that just comes and goes within a 1-2 year time. We want to build a future. So I believe that's one of the biggest key things that I illustrate a lot of my designs around is what's going on right now, what's in, what colors are going with what they're wearing, the types of sneakers that they have on, and the types of hats that they have on. And I work around that, and then I base the designs off of a lot of the wording, the quotes, like that life. It's huge right now. There's rappers making songs about it. I even made the design before the people were rapping. Believe it or not, just believe it or not, it was something that you hear around. I said, you know what? You got to capitalize on it. You know what I'm saying? If people are saying it in the street, they're going to want to wear it on the street. So that's definitely something in the design process that I take into consideration when I go and start designing. I start to, really sketch everything out, and I just bring it to life from there.